Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Xeet.ai. I will break down exactly what Xeet is, how it works, how people are earning Xeet and building their signal scores, and what all these features really mean in simple beginner-friendly terms. So by the end of this video, you will understand how to get started, how to grow your signals, and how to position yourself for any future rewards or airdrop coming from Zit. So let's get into it. Before we get into it, what exactly is Zit.ai? Zit describes itself as an info FI protocol built on top of the social media, specifically X, that is formerly Twitter. So it's translating attentions into signals. This is where high quality content, genuine engagement is rewarded. So to get started, all you need to do is to visit the official Zit website. I will be dropping the link, official link in the description so you don't click on any random or phishing links. Once it opens, you will be asked to log in with your X account. So proceed to click on that. So click on your X to connect your Twitter. So then you authorize and sign in with your X account. Make sure you sign in with the X account you want Zit to evaluate. So this will let Zit read your public posts, replies, likes, and engagement so it can generate your signal scores or Zit. So after that, you'll be redirected to connect your wallets. So you have three wallets to connect, and it all depends on the task you are doing. But as for me, I connected all my wallets and I connected the EVM wallet, an abstract global wallet, and a Solana wallet. But it all depends on the task you are doing. So let's proceed to get an abstract wallet. But as a new user, once you connect your X account, it will redirect you to connect your wallet. So proceed to connect the wallets of your choice. But as for me, I connected the three wallets because I will be interacting with abstract projects and also other projects. So that's why I linked the three accounts. But if you are a returning user and you want to link your remaining accounts, where you need to click on is on settings here. Once you click on the settings, you can see on the screen I've actually linked my EVM wallet and my Solana wallet. So I will proceed to link my um, abstract wallet. So for new users, I'll also be creating a new abstract wallet. So let's proceed to create an abstract wallet now. So it's actually connecting. And now I've linked my app, successfully connected my abstract wallet. So now let's move to the next thing. So the next thing we need to do now that we've connected our wallet is to check is to click on these signals. You can see here, click on signals. So when you click on signals, it will bring out this dashboard for you where you will see featured, you will see tournament, and you will see signals. So for featured, on the featured tab is projects. You will see a list of selected external projects and including Web3 projects that have partnered or been highlighted by Zit. Do you get? Then for tournaments are contests or challenges held by Zit in which creators can compete. So then let's proceed to open one of the projects, which is the Zit Info FI. This is actually from Zit. So for the tax, there's no tax here. Let's go back to the signal. Then when you go back to the signal, we see, let's touch this IOPN. So when you go to IOPN, you will go to the tax section. You can see the people on the leaderboard from here. Then the things you're supposed to do on IOPN, you scroll down to the tax section. You can see the details of the tournament. When you go to the tax section, you will see I've actually completed some tasks here and claimed them. So tax is a specific action you are asked to do on a particular platform, either repost or connect your or follow them on X and so on. So completing these tasks will help you increase your signal or Zit points. You get, so you can see the tournament details, you can see reward, you can see the date it started, the reward to share 300k OPN and Zit. You can see top 100 will receive 100K OPN monthly. So we're done with this. Let's go back to the signal page. Let's go back. Then let's check. Just check this married market. So when we open this married market, you will still proceed to the tax section. Like I told you, tax is the action you are asked to do on a platform. Either follow them, repost, quote, whatever you are asked to do. So just do it and claim your points. Then you come to this tournament details. You will see actually the rewards or what you're actually competing for. So that's what the tournament details actually mean. You can also follow them from to their X handle through this place. So that is it. Let's go back to the other features on the platform. So then to go back, click on this signal or this back space. Then the next feature we'll check is this refer friends. So when you get to this refer friends, get your referral link and share it. So Zit gives you a boost link. So it's called a referral link. Share it with others. When people accept your boost, it increases your signal. Start posting quality content on X. So focus on crypto topics, mention trending projects, provide value rather than just spam. So the core mechanics is quality content to authentic engagement. So it gives you higher signal scores. So post useful takes, step by step walkthrough or unique analysis. So just be real and avoid spammy or copy and paste posts. So the key is to stay naturally while staying relevant. Even general crypto posts can earn you Zit. So always monitor your dashboard slash leaderboard within Zit. So the aim is to improve your engagement, referrals, and quality. When you click on settings, you will see all our linked wallets. You can see the three wallets I linked. Then let's go back to profile. So when you go back to profile, you can see um my activities over here. Let's see content breakdown. You can see everything. Then all my recent posts over here. You can see them. So then the next thing we need to do now is you can see the recent post I made here. So I think this actually refreshes every 48 or 24 hours. So you can see that. Then the next thing is to go back to signals. So we are back to this place. There are features I want to explain here. You can see signals, you can see noise, you can see bonus, you can see zits. So on the noise part, noise means activity that doesn't add much value. That is posts that get attention but they are shallow, maybe repeated, spammy, or don't bring new insights. So on zit, you want to avoid just creating noise. You will just avoid creating noise. Then for signals, you earn signals from useful, meaningful, and high quality content or engagement. The engagement that adds value. Then when you earn it, this seems to be the reward units or points you earn on the platform when you participate on certain tasks and tournaments. So this show that you are contributing. Then when you see mind share, mind share refers to how much share of attention or recognition you have on the platform. So, so another important part is this. You see, Ethos Network plays a big role in Zit. So it helps boost your points and build your on-chain reputation. So the stronger your Ethos profile, the better your Zit signals and overall ranking. And getting an Ethos referral link is not easy. So they are very limited and hard to find, but I can help a few active people get one. So if you genuinely want to join and stay active, just drop a comment below saying I need Ethos referral link and I will see what I can do to help you out. I think that's all. So make sure I think that's all for all the features and how to get started on Zit. So stay updated on their official X handle, Xeet.ai for new tournament, phases, token drop announcement. And that is a wrap for today's video. I hope this helped you understand how Xeet works, from signals and noise to tournament, featured projects, and how you can start earning Xeet the right way. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have already joined Xeet or plan to. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my crypto breakdown. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.